Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we tackle the most common gadget glitches to keep your devices running smoothly. Today, we're diving into a super frustrating issue: your Firestick remote flashing red 3 times in 2025. Don't worry, this problem is often easy to fix with a few simple steps. Whether you're binge watching your favorite shows or navigating apps, a malfunctioning remote can kill the vibe, so let's get it sorted out quickly. First off, understand that a red flash typically signals a connection or battery issue. Start by checking the batteries in your remote. If they're low, that's the most common culprit. Pop in a fresh pair of AA batteries and see if the flashing stops. If it persists, it's time to repair your remote with the Firestick. Grab your Firestick device, go to Settings, then select Controllers and Bluetooth devices, and choose to add a new device. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your remote again. It usually involves holding down the home button for about 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, try restarting your Firestick. Unplug the device from the power source, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This can resolve temporary glitches. Next, check for any software updates on your Firestick. Head to Settings, then My Fire TV, and look for About or check for updates. Installing the latest firmware might fix underlying bugs causing the issue. In some cases, the problem could be hardware-related, like a faulty remote. If none of the above works, consider resetting your remote. Press and hold the back and right navigation buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the light blinks. If you're still stuck, it's worth contacting Amazon support. They're usually helpful with replacements. There you have it. By following these steps, you should have your Firestick remote back in action. Remember, staying on top of updates and battery checks can prevent future headaches. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any other Firestick woes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.